Most businesses fail, but what if I told you there are businesses that will never ever fail? Curious about why most businesses fail? According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, 20% of US small businesses fail within the first year, with the odds increasing to 50% by year 5. Unlike traditional businesses, online businesses offer unparalleled affordability and resilience. I've curated a list of 4 ventures that not only defy the statistics, but also require minimal investment, ensuring your journey as an entrepreneur is virtually risk-free. Let's get started. Business Idea 1. You won't believe how easy it is to get started with an online store today. You just need some software and some basic skills. Imagine launching your own business for less than the cost of a coffee. Think about this. You're someone who dreams of financial freedom. You're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want something you can call your own. With today's technology, you can turn that dream into reality with minimal upfront investment. As a young, inspiring entrepreneur, Steve started his online store about linens. He just invested a bit more than $600. He then used a free open-source shopping cart and a budget web host called Bluehost, which cost him around $7 a month that time. He also paid $30 a month for credit card processing. So, just for $37 a month, he was in the business. If he ever needed an extra month to make ends meet, he would just skip dining out once and cover his expenses. And today, you can start selling online for just $3 a month. Even youngsters between 8 to 12 years old are trying to launch their own store. If they can do it, so can you. Watch this video, and I'll even teach you the same method they used for their website for free. You might be wondering how this is possible. The answer is simple. You don't need to spend money upfront on inventory. Dropshipping allows you to take orders online and have your supplier handle the storage and shipping. This way, you only purchase products when you make a sale. For those with a creative side, print on demand is another fantastic option. You can sell custom designed t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies, and a third-party print service will manage the fulfillment. If you want to sell your own branded products, your startup costs for inventory might be several $1,000s, but maintaining your online store will cost next to nothing. Even today, running a 7-figure e-commerce store only costs around $1,000 a month excluding the employees. But you don't need them unless you want to fully automate it. You and your partner can manage everything at first. At that rate, you could run your business indefinitely. Of course, there's always a risk of running out of money, but something catastrophic would have to happen. Realistically, the only way this business could fail is if you decide to shut it down. The potential for e-commerce is enormous. Another entrepreneur, for example, Maya. She started an online store selling cross-stitch kits with just a couple of $1,000s, and now she's making over $1 million a year at CaterpillarCrossstitch.com. Another story, Nada, invested even less and now earns over $1 million annually selling jewelry online. Andy, who sells farmhouse decor, also makes 7 figures a year after investing just a few thousand. Amanda, who dropships dollhouse furniture, makes 6 figures with only a modest initial investment. You might be wondering about those entrepreneurs who fail. It's rarely due to running out of money. More often, they never launch a product or follow through on their plans. Failing to start and failing after starting are 2 different things. Business isn't guaranteed, but e-commerce offers a low-cost entry point, making it largely up to you to succeed. Business Idea 2. You're going to need just a few skills and some inexpensive software to get started on this. The best part? It's nearly impossible to fail with this approach. Picture yourself back a decade ago. You have a burning desire to create something of your own and make money online. With less than $10, you start a blog. You choose a budget-friendly web host like HostGator, install WordPress with a free theme, and begin writing. Back then, monthly hosting fee was just $4.95. Think about it. For less than the cost of a single coffee, you could be on your way to financial independence. Here's how to make it work. First, write blog posts targeting specific keywords that people are searching for on Google. This strategy helps build traffic through search engines. Once your visitors are on your site, encourage them to subscribe to your email list. This is where the magic happens. You can then funnel these subscribers toward affiliate offers, online courses, and digital products that you sell. The expenses are minimal, and the potential for profit is immense. Consider this. Every piece of content you create acts like an investment. The more you write, the more keywords you rank for, and the more traffic you attract. It's like a stock that only appreciates over time. Sure, it takes a while to gain traction. You might not see any income for the first year, and it might take 3 years to hit 6 figures annually. But after that, the growth can be exponential. By year 6, you could be looking at 7-figure income. The beauty of this business model is its simplicity and low cost. At just $4.95 a month, the only way to fail is if you give up. Keep creating content, and in time, you'll see traffic and sales grow. Business Idea 3. This presents an intriguing opportunity in the digital world. Just like starting a blog, launching a YouTube channel requires minimal investment. All you need is a smartphone and the willingness to create content consistently. Think about it. The more videos you upload, the more potential you have to rake in the dough. Imagine this. You're a content creator, like many out there, hustling to make ends meet. You start your YouTube channel, pouring out your heart and soul into your videos. At first, it's slow progress, no money in sight, but you persist. Then gradually, your efforts pay off. You start seeing a few bucks going in, then hundreds, and before you know it, you're making thousands each month. Now, let's discuss the method. A successful YouTube channel is like a gold mine. Take it from someone who's been there. I've watched my other channels evolve from a humble beginning to a steady six-figure income stream. And the best part, it's practically risk-free. With each video you upload, your channel gains momentum. More views mean more ad revenue, more subscribers, and more opportunities to monetize. But it's not just about the money. Your YouTube channel is a gateway to endless possibilities. Building an audience opens doors to sell products, digital services, or even your expertise. So why wait? Start your channel today. Maybe one day, you'll be the one reading inquiries from eager collaborators and sponsors. Business idea 4. This one has the most remarkable success rate, making it a top contender for every investor. Robert Kiyosaki, a titan of industry, once remarked that real estate was the path to wealth, and he wasn't wrong. The numbers speak for themselves. With an 85.3% success rate, real estate is a solid investment choice. But why is it so reliable? Let's break it down. Imagine this. You own a rental property. Each month, you receive a steady stream of income from your tenants. Meanwhile, your property appreciates in value over time, while your mortgage payments stay fixed. It's a simple equation. Your income exceeds your expenses, leaving you with a tidy profit. But that's not all. Real estate offers unique advantages like leverage. With relatively little upfront capital, you can secure financing from the bank to purchase properties. And let's not forget about the tax benefits. Strategies like 1031 exchanges allow you to defer capital gains taxes, while depreciation and amortization provide additional write-offs. And here's the kicker. Real estate can be as hands-on or hands-off as you like. Hire a property manager, and you can sit back while they handle the day-to-day operations. It's a truly passive income stream. The bottom line? The old adage that 9 out of 10 businesses fail no longer holds true. In today's digital age, the barriers to entry are lower than ever. With minimal overhead, the potential for success is virtually limitless. If you want detailed steps on each business idea, you might want to check out some of our videos. Until next time!